Introducing the 2026 Honda Forza 125. The scooter remains a top-tier premium GT scooter, having recently received significant updates to its technology and aesthetic. For the 2026 model year, Honda has focused on refreshing the color palette and refining the user interface while maintaining the mechanical excellence of its ESP engine. Maintaining its signature balance of urban agility and highway stability, the scooter's performance core features a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled ESP engine delivering 10.7 kilowatts of power and 12.3 newton-meters of torque, reaching a top speed of 108 kilometers per hour while offering a 500 kilometers range from its 11.7-liter tank. Building on its recent technical overhaul, the 2026 Honda Forza 125 solidifies its status as the premier learner-legal GT scooter by pairing a refined, Euro 5 compliant 125 cubic centimeters ESP engine, delivering 10.7 kilowatts and a 500 kilometers range, with a sleek visual refresh featuring a bronze-accented special edition and premium, big bike technologies like an electric windscreen, a 5-inch TFT display with RoadSync, and standard HSTC safety. The Forza 125 maximizes rider comfort by combining a relaxed Grand Touring upright posture and a plush seat with versatile floorboards that allow for stretched-out legroom, all while maintaining an accessible 780mm seat height for easy handling at every stop. Beyond its ergonomic seating, the Forza 125 ensures superior weather protection through an aerodynamically sculpted fairing and a signature electric windscreen with 180mm of travel, allowing riders to effortlessly switch between a quiet. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.